Welcome back, my friends. Welcome to another Java problem solving video. In this video, we'll design a room charge calculator that can calculate room charges for a certain hotel. So let's take a look at the question. So you are going to design a program which calculates a charges for a certain hotel. The room types available on Deluxe, Double, Standard Family and Standard Single. The room charge depends on the facilities required. And here give us a condition: design a room charge calculator class with the following methods. One method is getChargeDeluxDouble, and here is one condition is that accept the true false for the following parameters: balcony, parking, TV, kitchen and Wi-Fi, and use the following details to calculate the fee. And one is a fixed fee for the room. Fixed fee is 5,000, and then additional charges: balcony 500, parking 200, TV 200, kitchen 1,000 and Wi-Fi 1,100. Sorry, Wi-Fi 100. Then create another method for that get charge standard family. So fixed fee 3,000, parking 200, kitchen 500. So you can see that in get charge deluxe double room, our kitchen price was 1,000, but here kitchen price is 500. Okay, so we have to change it next. And here is and get charge for standard single. So here is fixed fee 2,000 yuan, parking 200, AC 500 and Wi-Fi 100. And here give us the menu details: deluxe, double, standard family, standard, some question. And also there is one important thing: the display an error message if the user enters a number outside the range of 1 through 4 when selecting an item from the menu. Okay, that's our problem. Let's start the video. But before starting the video, if you are new in my channel, so please subscribe my channel and turn on notification to get notification when I upload next video. So okay, let's open my ID. So for this video tutorial, I will use NetBeans ID. Sorry, I will use Eclipse ID. So let's open my Eclipse ID, and I already created a project. Let's expand the project, and here I already created the class, Java class. So if you don't know how to create project and class, just click on file and new project, just go to other. And if you don't get it in front of page, so go to other and Java project, next, and then give your project name and etc. Then next, then finish. Okay, and after creating your project, right click your source folder, then create new class and give your new class name, and must mark this one public static void main class, then cancel. Okay, then next. Okay, I already created the class. So let's open my class. So here, first of all, what I did some uh, global variable. So first of all, I initialize a global scanner variable to take user input, because we need scanner type many more times. So I don't want to define scanner again and again. So for that I take a global variable. Then I take a global variable is yes no. So basically what does it do when user select his option, just like he need extra services or not, he need balcony services or not, he need AC or not. So for that I take this variable yes no, and this is user answer. I love to make comment, so I already make a comment user answer yes no variable. And here I also initialize our fixed prices for our room. Then I will use it in our methods or any place in this Java class. So first I make it a public static, and this is integer type. So price for deluxe double fixed price, standard family fixed price and standard single fixed price. So here is all the price: 5,000, 3,000 and 2,000. And here for extra services price, so let's take a look at the question. You can see that our extra services, we have some extra services: balcony, parking. So I read the whole question and sorted what kinds of extra service we are providing. So I make this list together and initialize their prices. So for that, balcony price 500, parking price 200, TV price 200, kitchen price 1000. So for kitchen price, for deluxe room, kitchen price is 1000, and for standard family room, kitchen price is 500. So when we write the method for standard price, standard family room service, on that time we will change the kitchen price. I will show you that. And Wi-Fi price, curtain price, and AC price. Other price is same for all services, for all room services. And here started the main method and user menu. Then I am showing the user menu. So let's make it small to show you. Sorry, make it high, large. So here I am. Okay, make this window bigger. So here I am showing the user menu. This is system out printer. Welcome to RoomChargeCalculator, and please choose a room. You afford. I mean, if you don't have too much money, then you can't choose Delux-Double room. So here I choose the option Delux-Double room, standard family room, standard single room, and 4 option is quit. And then I am taking the user answer. System out, please enter the number 1 to 4. Okay, I'm checking the user answer. Choose number in dot next integer. In is our scanner. You can see in scanner. So in dot next integer. So now we have to set condition which item the user has been chosen. So for that I use switch statement. You can also use if statement, but I think for fixed menu, switch statement is more comfortable, I feel. So here is I started a switch statement, and here is the choose number. This is the choose number, what the user input answer. So this is our user answer, and here is the condition case 1. So if user input 1, then what will we do? So if user input 1, then I will at first I will show him the deluxe double room price. So the room he has been chosen, how much the room price. So here I am using a system out method. So deluxe double room fixed price is deluxe double fixed room fixed price. So this deluxe double room fixed price coming from our global variable that we has been defined in top, deluxe double room fixed price. Okay, then I give a new line for a beautify. I give a new line. It looks good. Okay, and then I show some additional item menu that we have some additional services. So do you want to use these services? So here I'm seeing the for balcony charges, balcony price, parking price, TV price, kitchen price, and Wi-Fi price. So you can check out our question. This is balcony, parking, TV, kitchen, and Wi-Fi. And for the price, we already defined the global variable at the top. Okay, just I am showing that price. And now I am asking to user, do you need more services? I mean, do you need our extra services? So then taking a user answer. This is the yes no variable we already declared in top, yes no string. So we are taking yes no. The user, if user input yes or no. So if user input yes, then we will do some perform action, and then if user choose no, that's in else. So then we'll just show him the fixed room price again. So your total room charges is deluxe double fixed price. But if user choose yes, so then I changing it to lowercase. So for and dot equals and the object yes. So if user input yes in capital uppercase or capital letter, then I would like to convert it to lowercase, and then I would like to equals. I would like to compare with the answer. So if the user answer is yes, then I want to show him our services, our menu item one by one, extra services menu item one by one. So first of all, I show him for balcony. So I show him that do you need balcony services, and then taking his answer. String is taking his answer is in next balcony, and then string balcony. Okay, but here we also can use yes no. It's no matter, no problem. So we are but for a specific option I am using a specific value that will help me to remember for which string, for which which condition. So if taking the user input for a balcony variable, and then I created a method that uh, what what does he choose, because he give us a condition that check it take a look at the question there. The get charges deluxe double that accept the true or false variable. That means that accept only boolean variable in parameters. So when we will pass the parameters, it will give us, it will provide only true or false. We can't send the price in parameter. We only can send true or false. So for that I create a method that the user confirmation, so balcony confirmed and confirm extra, and passing the parameter balcony. Okay, let's take a look at the confirm extra method. So this is my confirm extra method, the confirming user extra choose items. So public static boolean, because he already mentioned that we only pass true or false value. So for that confirm extra method, and I am taking the string and taking a confirm variable boolean and answer dot lowercase. What does he giving us the answer, yes or no? So if he type user type yes as uppercase, then I am going to convert it to lowercase, and then I am comparing with my answer. So if user input yes, then I am returning I'm initial, and then I am submit the value confirm equal to true. I'm changing the value confirm equal to true, and else, I mean if user input anything else without yes, then I am confirming the value as false, boolean value false, and just returning the value, returning the confirm value. So it will give us true or false value, because he in question he mentioned that in parameter we only can pass true or false value. So for that I just create this method that will give us a boolean value true or false. Okay, let's go back to our top. Okay, here is the method that if user input yes, then it will give us true. If user input no, then it will give us a false value. Okay, then I am storing that value in a boolean variable that balcony option is confirmed. Okay, for that balcony option is confirmed as what does he confirm, true or false, it doesn't matter. That it initializing that the user already confirmed the value for the balcony item. Okay, for that as like that we also do that for parking, taking the user question answer and then convert it to the true or false. As like we do that for TV, kitchen, and Wi-Fi. So that's all for this for extra item, to choose user, to take user option for extra item, and then calling the method. And now it's time to calculate. And get charge deluxe double. and he already told us that method getChargeDeluxDouble create a method and that accept the true false the following parameters, these parameters. So I created a method and then passing those parameter as a true or false value. Okay, let's go to our Deluxe-Double method. Okay, here here is our getDeluxDouble method. So here I take static void is giving us a void, but you can also initialize it as an integer, no problem. Just you have to then and at the end you have to return that value. That's the matter, then nothing else. You can also initialize it integer, no problem, but I take it void. And then I search those parameter boolean balcony, boolean parking, because we already convert the user answer to true or false, I mean boolean value. So that's why if we initialize it at a string, then we will get error. Then we will get error because we already passing the user answer as a boolean value. Okay, and then get the price for chosen option. Okay, here I do a tricky method to get price for our user information. So basically user giving us a true or false value, and for the price we already defined in globally at the top of our method, top of our class. You can see I already defined our price there. So here I create a method to reuse our program. So if you don't create a method for this price, then you have to define you have to write code again and again to get a single item price. So we have to check it like this, the if check the user value. If the user value is yes, then calculate this price. If no, then yeah, then calculate 0. So for that I already create a method get price and passing the parameter. First parameter the user answer is true or false, and the second parameter is the price, the fixed price we have been defined in top of our method class. So let's take a look at the price method, get price method. So get static integer because we are returning a integer value for price, and get price, and first parameter is a boolean action, I mean the answer, and the second parameter is integer the price. Okay, and checking the action, if action equal true, that means here the balcony value as passing as a true or false variable on true or false variable after converting from the confirm extra. So it's giving us true or false variable. So if user if it give us a true variable, just I am returning the price. Okay, just I am returning the price, the price to is defined at the top, fixed price. Just I am returning the price. And else, if else, that means if it give us a false variable, then I am initializing the defining the price equal 0 and then returning the price. Because if user choose no, that means it's giving us a false value, and on false value we should not use that we should not use that value. But also you can do that here. You can check minus, you can do the minus the price, it's also okay, I think so. I didn't try that, but you can try it with in your code and check it out what the result is come. And then I'm define the price is equal 0 and then returning the price. So that means if user give us true, if user choose the option yes, then that means it give us a true value, then I'm returning the price. If else I'm returning price as a 0. So that's our method but get price. So in this functionality I am getting the all price. So for parking, for TB, for kitchen, and price, and I'm storing that value in a integer. So get balcony price, get parking price, get TV price, and get kitchen price. Okay, and that Wi-Fi price, and then the simple addition method, addition functionality. So into the total price. First price is our deluxe double fixed price. That was a room price, fixed room price, and then I am adding the extra price. So get balcony price. If user choose yes, then it will give us the fixed price. If user choose it to no, that means if user choose no, that means give us a false value, and that false value returning as a 0. So that means it will calculate as a 0. So for number plus 0 is equal to number. And the basic addition method, I am addition all the prices and then just a simple printing that price. Okay, that's all for all functionality. So let's say save this method and run this program. Yeah, so welcome to RoomChargeCalculator, and please choose a room you afford. So let's say here is our user answer. So first I check for quit option for error message. So for 4, if I input 4, so it has give us sorry to see you leave, and giving a message that okay, then try it again. So if user input out of 4, I think up 4, upper more than 4, just like if I input 5, then it will choose out of input pound. Okay, and one more thing here is you can say, so case number 4. So sorry to see you leave, and I am close the scanner item, and as like as default I'm out of bound, and I am also close the scanner items. So okay, let's go back to our program and run it again one more time. So now we will choose one valid option, that is deluxe double room. So click on one and then enter. So it is showing us the price for deluxe double room, fixed price, and then it's asking for additional services. So do I need any additional services? So let's check. I don't need any additional services, no. And it's give us the return the fixed price. So your total room charge is 5,000. Okay, now let's see if I need additional services. So if I need additional services, type yes. Okay, now it give us question one by one. Do you need balcony? So I think so, yes, I need a balcony. Okay, then do you need parking? No, I don't need parking. Do you need TV? Yes, I need TV. And do you need kitchen? No, I don't need kitchen. And Wi-Fi, it's must need record. If I go to travel anywhere, I must need Wi-Fi first. So I need Wi-Fi. So then click on yes. Then it's giving us the result for our total room charge. So let's take a look at the price. Total room charge. So total room charge is 5,000 yuan, and then for balcony they charge us 500. So total 5,500 taka. And then which option we should choose? It's for TV. For TV we choose 200, so 5,700, and for Wi-Fi 100. That is 518. And for that that parking and kitchen, it give us no. I mean it give us 0 value. And in the question there is one more tricky point is there is getCharge standard family. Here is kitchen price is 500, but here kitchen price is 100. Let's take a look that how I changed there. So okay, for standard family room, it's the case is 2. So let's go back to case 2. So here is case 2, and here you can check that I initialize the value 500. I define the value 500 again. So at first it give us 1000, then I change the value to 500. Okay, so at the same it gives us the another option, and then we'll check the user answer. If user is answer is yes, then we'll show that other optionality. So let's run it again. So here is the console. So try it for 2. Okay, standard family room fixed price is 3000, and additional services parking charge 200, and you can see that the kitchen charge is 500 because we define the value again. And for garden charge 200. So do you need extra services? Let's say yes. So do you need parking? No. Do you need kitchen? Let's say yes, I need kitchen. Okay, I need kitchen. And do you need garden? No. Okay, so you can check out that our room charge is 3500. So 500 is kitchen charge and room charge is fixed 3000. So that's all for this video solving. So if you like my solution, please like this video and share it with your friends. And if you think you can do in easiest way or time saving way, you can share your solution with me in comment box, or you can share your GitHub source code. And for this project you will get the source code in the description below in my blog, so check the link in the description below for source code. And must share this video with your friends, I already told you. And one more thing is I request to you to please subscribe my channel and turn on notification. So see you in next video.